Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electrical network of your car. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, distance the terminal so that it cannot reconnect to the battery unexpectedly, something which could cause damage to the electrical circuit of the vehicle. Open the cover on the plastic case located on the plus terminal. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unfix the fastening nut of the plus terminal. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, carefully lever the holding spurs from the fuse board of the battery to separate it. Once free, position it in a way so that it doesn't get in the way of the following steps. With a socket wrench, a long extender and a 13mm socket, remove the nut and take off the fastening plate of the battery. Take out the battery.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Sand the connector board of the plus cable frame with sanding paper, as well as the inside of the terminals. This will remove the layer of white oxidation and avoid, in the long term, unwanted breakdowns. Put the new battery back in place and immediately put the holding plate in place. To begin with, position it by hand, screwing the first threads of the screws by hand, then finish fix it in place with a socket wrench. Correctly position the board in front of the positive terminal of the battery, then clip it in place by pushing downwards. Finish by fixing the positive terminal using a socket wrench. Finally, close the protective cover of the positive terminal. You can now put the negative terminal in place. Hold it firmly on the terminal and fix it in place with a socket wrench. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.